Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about what portal is and how to use that portal and what is the purpose of portal component in SolidJS. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. I'll just create some set of example over here that will give you more understanding. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a global styles. So let me create one global style without a module and let me name it as global.css, and this have the capability to get the CSS styles. So let me get one CSS over here, and then I just want to apply some set of CSS like a box, and inside this box I want to show some set of styles. So the style says something like border 1 pixel solid and black, and let me use something like background color as light blue. So now I'm using a light blue color, and now let me create a styles over here, and this is not a modular style, so let me use a class itself by using this global CSS. To apply this global CSS, let me copy this style class name and just paste over here and save this, and to use them let me import that global without any naming for that style. So let me use global.css. It doesn't have any name. All the CSS classes which are used inside this global can be used inside this component and even the child components of this particular function. I'll explain you in detail whenever we are talking about the styles in SolidJS. So now let me go here and create a div, and this div will have a class called as box, and let me save this. Now let me use a paragraph. So let me use box styling and save this. Now go here and just create some set of border as 1 pixel solid black. This is also black border, and let me create this box with a height and width. So let me use something like 100 pixel of height and width of 100 pixel and save this. Go to the browser and just see this. You have a box, and this box is something related to the app. For that sake, to differentiate both of them, let me create a width of 200 pixel and height of 200 pixel and save this. Now you have two boxes. One is the box styling, whatever we are using over here, and this is something related to the white background, that is nothing but whole div, this div. Now what I want to do is I want to show you the problem, what happens if this is the case. For example, you have this box and this is completely or tightly coupled with this app component. So what I want to do is I want to make this component isolated and standalone. That means it should be an independent component which should not be tight coupled with any other components. So if you see this, you have an app, and this app is on the root, and inside this root we have the box. But I don't want to do that. I want to place this in the app component, but I want to make it out of my structure. That means it should not be inside this app or root. It should be out of my div. So let me go here and see that what is the problem with the existing one. For example, someone came over here and created one class with app, and he is trying to override the value. For example, I am trying to override border, or let me use something like background color, which is a gray color. So let me save this. Now if you see, it applied with the gray color. Actually speaking, why this happened? Because we are trying to override because of some unknown styles made on this particular component. That means it is completely and tightly coupled with our component, because this app, inside my app, if I have a box, it is trying to apply the background color as gray, but actually my assumption is the box should contain a blue color or light blue color. That means it should be isolated and independent component. So in that case, if you want to make this independent component, and that too, this component should not be inside our root, it should be out of our root. So in that case, you come up across a portal. It is very simple. Just go here, and whatever the content you want to put out of your root component and just act like a sibling for your root component, such components you can make it as portal. So I want to make this div inside my portal so that that div will be out of my root component. So let me paste this and save. So this portal component came from SolidJS. Now it is independent and it applies only the value which was mentioned over here, that is background color as blue. Let me go here. This has been mentioned as background color as blue, but this is out of your DOM element. So in general, why we will be using in this way? The only thing is, whenever you want to show some modals or overlays or any alerts, then you have to use this, because in that cases this portal component will be a sibling to your root. So whenever you want to apply some CSS on that modals, that will not affect because of your parent components. So this is not a real-time scenario whatever I am showing, but in the real time this will be something like a pop-up where it will be used over the screen as an overlay. So if it is working like an overlay, that should be an independent component and it should never be affected by our parent components. So here in this case it will never affect by parent component if this is made as a modal. So that is how you can use your portals. Portals are mainly used whenever you are working with modals, alerts and some set of confirmation pop-ups. So why we will be using here? Because our confirmation pop-up or our modal should not be affected by its parent styles. So that is the reason we will be using these portals. And if you see this portal has been added into your body with a extra div. So whenever you are trying to use a portal component, so then it will add one extra div which will wrap all your content into one particular element. So this portal will be replaced by the div whenever it is rendered on your DOM. You cannot see any of the portal element over here. It is a placeholder for your div and your portal will be replaced with your div element. So that's about your portal. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.